Presenting AquaGuard Under the Counter Purifier, which fits easily under your kitchen sink. Its compact and invasion-free design maintains the aesthetics of your kitchen and guarantees safe and healthy water directly from your tap. Coming from the house of Eureka Forbes, the pioneers in water purification, it is trusted by 1.5 crore mothers and owned by 1.6 lakh doctors across India. Eureka Forbes was founded in India in 1982, so we are the truly Indian brand for the Indian consumer, offering Made in India products. There are many reasons why AquaGuard is superior to other ordinary water purifiers in the market. First and foremost, AquaGuard comes with advanced multiple stages of purification, offering the best-in-class technologies compared to any other water purifier. The patented active copper technology provides the goodness of copper by infusing the right amount of copper in the water. It is beneficial for consumption throughout the day for all age groups and can be used for all types of food preparations. Unlike ordinary water purifiers which deplete minerals, AquaGuard's Mineral Guard technology retains natural essential minerals like calcium and magnesium in the water. Not all UVs are UV e-boiling. Unlike ordinary water purifiers, AquaGuard's superior UV e-boiling technology gives you water as safe and pure as water boiled for 20 plus minutes and instantly disinfects the water by killing all viruses and bacteria. Apart from its superior technologies, AquaGuard comes with a bundle of additional benefits. It comes with a long cartridge life of 6,000 liters. It is the best option available in the market for municipal water with TDS of up to 200 milligrams per liter. It has a large storage tank from where the stored purified water can be dispensed even without electricity. The smart autofill technology automatically refills the storage tank every time water is taken out. Cartridges are safely and compactly stored to stay contaminant-free. Your health is of top priority to us. These days, many local service providers claim to be AquaGuard's authorized service center and use fake filters and spare parts. This may harm the health of your family. Hence, AquaGuard is now equipped with Health Protect technology that ensures that no spurious parts can be fitted into your AquaGuard and alerts you when the cartridge life is over. Thus, your family's safety and health is secured. A wide network of our service providers present within 5 kilometers of your location ensure that you get timely and trustworthy services. This is why an AquaGuard water purifier is the best in the market. So, order it now, क्योंकि हर water purifier AquaGuard नहीं होता.